Hello everyone and welcome to the CUPRA Singapore showroom. In this video, we're going to present to you the all-new CUPRA Leon hatchback. Stay tuned. Welcome back. The new CUPRA Leon hatchback is a vehicle redeveloped to revitalize the high-performance hatchback segment. For this video, we will focus solely on the hatchback variant. Do remember to check out our sports tourer video to get a better understanding of the differences between the two cars. From a visual standpoint, the new Leon hatchback showcases its high-performance credentials from every angle. Its assertive design language is, of course, backed by precise handling and potent capabilities. It is fitted with a complete body kit designed exclusively for the CUPRA range, with an aggressive yet functional front grille that incorporates larger air intakes and front wings for added aerodynamism. Sculpted side skirts as well as a spoiler and lower rear diffuser increases the bold and sporty edge of the Leon hatchback. It is also fitted with the newest LED lighting technology, improving visibility, vision, and safety. These include daytime running lights up front, LED indicators that are integrated to the side mirrors, and rear tail lights with dynamic turn signals, with the brand's iconic infinite rear light that stretches from side to side, or as CUPRA calls it, coast to coast. And finally, to top off the athletic aesthetics, the quad sports exhausts of the CUPRA Leon hatchback, adding more pomp and circumstance to the experience. The new CUPRA Leon hatchback is not just all show. From the moment the engine is cranked, it's capable of being all go. Powered by a finely tuned 4-cylinder 2-liter turbocharged engine mated to a quick response 7-speed dual-clutch DSG transmission, the sporty pocket rocket delivers a maximum output of 300 PS and 400 Nm of torque to its front wheels, and launches from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 5.7 seconds, with its top speed limited to 250 km per hour. With great power comes greater responsibilities, and the CUPRA Leon hatchback does not shun away under any circumstance. With its adaptive chassis control capable of making changes in milliseconds, as well as its progressive steering system, the Leon hatchback allows for maximum agility regardless of driving conditions. Overall handling is also greatly assisted by CUPRA's base chassis technologies, with springs and dampers tuned specifically to offer the ideal balance for traction, grip, safety, and comfort. Slip into the CUPRA Leon and you will understand immediately why this is no regular hatchback, but one backed by racing heritage. Comfortable yet offering a snug embrace are these sports seats that come as standard equipment. The driver is also treated to an appealing 10.25-inch digital cockpit, which displays all the important data such as the vehicle's performance, as well as various information such as navigation and driver profiles. While an equally large 10-inch touchscreen in the center console gives the driver and front passenger full control of the Leon hatchback's vehicle, infotainment, and communications system. Voice and gesture controls are also integrated, allowing for ease of use and added safety. The entire infotainment setup, which also features the wireless full-link system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, is linked to an immersive 340-watt Beats audio system, providing deep and rich high-fidelity acoustics. Finally, a beautiful feature in the interior is the complete wraparound ambient lighting that creates an elevated sense of luxury and comfort for all occupants. Why don't we head on outside and check out two of my favorite features of the CUPRA Leon hatchback: the Park Assist feature, where this car parks itself, and launch control. Park Assist is an automated parking system available in all CUPRA models, where the vehicle parks itself into a parking spot. Activate the Park Assist function simply by pushing the Park Assist button. The on-screen guidance system will then guide you on the various inputs required, such as when to throttle, when to brake, and if you should be in the drive or reverse gears. Those are the only controls you need to focus on, as the CUPRA will maneuver itself safely and accurately into position. In line with the brand's sporty credentials, all CUPRA models are also equipped with launch control. When launch control is activated, the vehicle's onboard computer will assist the driver to accelerate with maximum traction and power. Thanks to the comprehensive servicing, maintenance, and warranty packages offered by CUPRA Singapore, owning a vehicle has never been easier. For more information on the entire CUPRA range, do visit us at our official website, or better yet, come on down to the showroom. We hope to welcome you here real soon. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Take care.